how to make custom frames in Canva. So the first step is to simply go to apps, and then you're gonna have to simply search for frame maker, and then you're gonna have to simply click on this one here, and then you're gonna have this app here, and basically here you can create your custom frames. Now if you want to add multiple points, as you can see, you can move this around, so you're gonna have to simply double click anywhere, and you can add as many as you like, and then you can simply change the shape and everything. Now if you want, you can change the grid columns, so this will allow you to make more round shapes. And as you can see here, you have different custom frames already made. Now what you're gonna have to do to add this to your design is simply click on add to design, and as you can see, we have it right here. Now if we go to elements, and let's add this photo, and as you can see, we have our custom frame. So basically that's all you have to do in order to make custom frames in Canva. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.